And now some political news from Bihar. In Bihar, as voting for the first round of state elections draws close, signs are piling up that the BJP is distancing itself from Nitish Kumar. Even Prime Minister Narendra Modi in his rallies in the state last week sought votes for the NDA and made only a cursory mention of Nitish Kumar towards the end of his speech. Meanwhile, Tejasvi Surya, the BJP MP from Karnataka, who is in Bihar to campaign for the polls, effusively praised the Lok Janshakti Party leader Chirag Paswan on Monday as an energetic leader and a special friend. Nitish Kumar, fighting on multiple fronts in the home stretch of the Bihar election, was served another example of his complicated relationship with his ally, the BJP.
चिराग जी पार्लियामेंट में मेरे सहयोगी है, बहुत ऊर्जावान नेता है। पार्लियामेंट में भी बिहार के जो मुद्दे हैं उसके ऊपर बहुत श्रद्धा के साथ, स्टैटिस्टिक्स के साथ उसका बात रखते हैं। व्हाटएवर रिजल्ट्स चुनाव के बाद हम उसके बाद चिंतन कर सकते हैं। हमारा मुख्यमंत्री अभ्यर्थी सिर्फ नीतीश कुमार जी है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी और एनडीए की गठबंधन 2/3 बहुमत से ये चुनाव जीतेगी और नीतीश कुमार जी इस आने वाले सरकार की मुख्यमंत्री होगी।
Manish Kumar joins us from Patna. Manish, you've been saying that it is not a tacit understanding, but more of an obvious thing that we see. But this is a very weird love triangle that we see between BJP, LJP, and of course the JDU.
Anjali, it's an open secret that whatever Chirag Paswan is doing in these elections, it is not only to make BJP chief minister, which he states openly and in public also, but he is being helped by top leadership of BJP when it comes to resources or whatever line he wants to take, because so far none of the top leaders of BJP have disapproved of his statements or whatever he is doing, or they are trying to dissociate themselves. Of course, on the record they are saying that we have only 3 allies in Bihar: Janata Dal United, VIP, and Jitan Ram Manjhi's Hum, and whoever is out of it is our political rival. But when it comes to center, nobody has thrown him out of the NDA as Nitish Kumar wanted for all these days. But in fact, the Union Home Minister has said on record that when it comes to the induction of Chirag Paswan in Union Cabinet in place of his late father Ramvilas Paswan, a call will be taken after the election. So it entirely depends on the outcome of the election, how BJP is going to have, BJP will treat Chirag Paswan, whether he will be inducted in the Union Cabinet, or they will, if NDA gets the majority on its own, then they might try to please Nitish Kumar. Anjali.